Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Journey to Wisdom and Wealth. My name is Tara. If you're new here, welcome. If you're not new here, welcome back. Thanks so much for joining me. I truly do appreciate you. If you are into budgeting videos, finance videos, and also following me on my road to home ownership, please consider subscribing to the channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss an upload. As well as if you just like the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. I hear it helps the algorithm, and everything I just mentioned is free 99. Okay, so today we're going to go out going through our actuals for paycheck number 1 and closing out paycheck number 1. So let's go, because I think paycheck number 2 is coming tomorrow, if not Tuesday. Today is Sunday. Happy Sunday and happy Super Bowl. If you watch 55, if you watch football, comment down below who you are rooting to win today. All right, so let's start from where we left when we got our money in. So $743.97, we did not get anything else coming in. So the actual income was $743.97. Ooh, I love how that did not copy over. Okay, and excuse me. We did go ahead and give $10, and we took our $25 out for the house emergency fund, and we put $397 in the zero out challenge as planned. So I'll put those in. $10 for giving came out, $25 for the house emergency fund came out, $397 for our zero out challenge also came out. Nothing changed there. $20 was withdrawn for the Parents Love offering. $40 was withdrawn for beauty. And I think I just ended up changing my swiper no swiping to Beauty and the Beast. My parents are calling. Please hold. Okay, so it's $40 in your Beauty and your Beast envelope. Beauty Be a Beast category. So I did move that over. Just wanted you guys to see that. So these two did clear as normal, the $20 and the $40. And if you can see my notes, Parents Love offering and the Beauty Hold Your Horses. All right, and so let's go back in here. Lately, it's been loading fast, which has been so nice. If you were oldie, you know what I mean. And then $400 is what we were able to save towards the house, which was amazing. I thought I was wrong, but we weren't. So that cleared just fine. Then we had $100 that I took out for the sinking funds and my cash envelopes, and then $74.69 came out for my cell phone. So this had cleared $74.69 exactly. And then $100 did come out for my cash envelope, so I can make that clear. And then here we'll see 5, 15, 20, 25, 45, 50. These separate withdrawals are all for my sinking funds of $50. So we can go ahead and clear that the $50 did in fact come out, and this can be cleared. And then we had my cousin who sent me $40, and then I transfer it to his savings account. So he can save, and we have a balance of $20.31 left. Why does it seem like, hold on, this poor actual, I think I added it later, that's why. It's just copying over my formulas. And so didn't have any rollover. What am I looking for? Okay, so what I was looking for is this doesn't look like, I don't know why in this one actual, maybe I added it after. I need to transfer this formula, just move it over as well so I can get the totals rolling. Okay, so as you can see, we have a remaining balance of $20.31, which was our rollover amount, and we were able to keep that $20.31 in rollover, and yay, we did that. That was not the challenge this month. It is Frugal February. And as of now, I have 4 no spend days going. Y'all probably can't see that. We'll do that when we go over stuff in the cash envelope. I did spend on like 3 or 4 days, so I have to tighten up for the rest of the month. But we have 2031, which if you're me, I'm going to go ahead and add that 2031 to the house savings. So I'm going to make this a formula, add an equals, and add the 2031 to it. And then we will have zero balance. So let's go ahead and transfer this 2031. to my humble home one time. This is for our February check number 1 closeout. Transfer success. Yeah, baby. Okay, and now we're down to 0. Hopefully the check hits tomorrow. If it doesn't hit tomorrow, it hit Tuesday, but we should be fine until then. So we were able to do this. So I'll mark this off because that did stay, and we're both down to 0. So now we just need to update our house savings sheet, and we also need to update our cash envelope, not a cash envelope, our sinking fund sheet. So our house savings sheet on 207 2021 gets 2031, and that is a February check number 1, but I want to add that closeout portion. Close out. Boom. So we have 7,701.06. Let's make sure that matches 7,000. Well, wait a minute. Hold up. Wait a minute. Something. It's not right here. 7,701.16. Oh, sometimes if I don't click in, there it is. 7,701.16. I know it's saying my camera is not ready. 7,701.16 is what is in there, and it does match 7,701.16, so that's good to go. Now we're going to go over to our sinking funds tracker, and we're going to update these. I'm going to create a formula that says equal, and we're going to equal. I need to see. All right, health and wealth normally gets 5, so equals 5. And car maintenance gets 12, so 20. And I'm going by this over here. This is what each category gets. Travel gets 5. Gifts usually gets nothing, but I had added $20 for the Parents Love offering in there, so that's already added. And apparel gets 5. Holiday gets, what's holiday? It said Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas gets 10, and I think that's it. So let me see if I can fix these screens so we can see both at the same time, and I'll be back. All right, guys, so I sort of did it, I think. I don't know why there's 2 of me, but health and wealth, 172. Wait, did I not add anything to health? Oh, shoot. Equals 5, I think. 172.88. 172.88. Car maintenance has 379.10. 379.10. Travel, well, apparel. Well, we'll go back because where's travel? Travel is 612.87. 612.87. Gifts has 50.45. Perfect. So now I'm gonna see if I can just move across so we can see the rest. Which is apparel and holiday, which is Merry Christmas. So then apparel has 52.06, and holiday has 56.80, which it should. Where is Amazon? Okay, Amazon has 50.46. Did we already do that? I can't remember, you guys. But that is what I had in both accounts. And so all the numbers add up perfectly. So we're good to go with that. So as far as February week 1 is concerned, we are completely closed out. Sinking funds have been updated. Oh, last thing, we got to just add this to our 26-week challenge. Where you at? Okay, 26-week challenge, February week 1, we hit $420.31. Perfect. We're over halfway to our goal. So God knows, let's hope we can hit it. All right, guys. That is all I have for you guys today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching. Remember, in order to be great, you have to be grateful. And don't forget to join the Grateful Gang, because I'm truly grateful for you. Have a wonderful, blessed day, y'all. Faith over the fear this year. Actually, faith over fear forever. All right. Bye.